A man who shared clarification of Human Rights Alert Director Babloo'S on social media platform was brutally assaulted by Meitei Leepun members. The incident happened yesterday when Josh Chongtham Huikap at Langol. The press meet held at Manipur Press Club Tangjing Hall yesterday, attended by Amkil, Nupi Samaj, Tami Chingmi, Imphal, NLANL, Anul Bisnupur, Thobal Ima, Machalaima, Ichal, EVFAM, Pauna Kaithel Women Welfare Organization, and Khairamban Pawoibi Ima Kaithel Women Vendors Welfare Union strongly condemned the incidents. Josh Chongtham stated that on September 27, approximately 50 members of the group forcibly took him from his home to an undisclosed location. He reported that he was interrogated, physically assaulted, and coerced into making statements on camera during his captivity. His hands were reportedly tied, and he endured significant mistreatment before being released to his father later that evening.
September kitang kuntareta aigi yumda ayuki pung taraga minini punthoi aba matamda nongoi paiba Meitei Leepungi nipu yankei laga mitpunjan biraga pubiraga mafam amada thammakanda aibu wang paham chathai aigi pon hangtokpiraga moina aigi hanagiba text message amadi call logsing kanaga pau phaunabno haina ingonda hangi adugi matungda moina aigi matangda force ta video ama semnaba apamba ipun kumang ke tekthokpiraga video ama namalli video tuda hairibasina aina share tawbiba opinion su yaudaba WhatsApp ki message amakhak ta share tawhalaibase RK Nimai Thongawjon Brinda adagidi Malem Ningthauja Yambem Laba moina ingonda pau piraga share tawhanbani aina hairaga hayalli aduga CM gi war on drugs ki matangda moiga phaminaraga Gyan taraga ay satkre ayagi matungda tawdanaba sigumba share tawdanaba gi akanba section wahay kharat thambira yengonda aroibada haijaningbadi sigumba aki tujungai oiba miwat minai ase mathangda thokdanaba mayam punna honamina se haina hamjari.
During the press meet organized by 12 women's organizations, Amkil President Laurembam Nganbi expressed appreciation for the efforts of various groups working for the betterment of the state. However, she condemned the rising hatred among the people, urging everyone to avoid such actions in the future. Her statement reflects a call for unity and understanding among communities in Manipur.
Leibakidamata thabak khara tawbaidamakta sarkargi mayokta ngangagadi haibagi potta threaten tawba taragadi Meitei Leepun si akhoi prajagi misam oidarabra haibase mamajingna khara jingnare aduga loinana Meitei Leepun khulai puraga chari si sarkarna pibra natraga kanana pibano haibasu ima oina khara jingnai ima leibak ngangnabagidamakta di akhoi welcome tawi aduga akhoi masen threaten tawnadana akhoi masen ngangna sangnadana phunadana aduga atopa miga wari sanaba yadaba freedom oihandaba akoigi kano Indian constitution na piba right of freedom mayam mangalapasidi akoi kitang mama aman oina nungai jate aduga Meitei Leepun na Manipur imagi damakta tawrappa thabak khudingmakta su mama akoina dum support tawgani.